Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to mirror boards in Monday.com. So first step is to open up your first board. Now in order to mirror to this board, you will have to create a column. So let's say I will create this column, go over to more columns, and now simply select connect boards. Click add to board, and now select the boards that you want to connect to. So let's select the boards and then simply click on connect boards. Now you can also create a mirror column if you want. So that's what we want. So create a mirror column. If you cannot see it, you can simply just go right here to plus icon, more columns, scroll down and find the mirror button right here. But if it is right here, then that's okay. So click on settings, customize mirror column, and simply change it to what you want. So from new board 1, we can get the status, group, board, and whatever we really want. And also from start from scratch. So it is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.